Medical students' education is a crisis as 43% posts for teachers in the government medical colleges are vacant. Experts say that this is a serious cause for concern and it puts the nation's healthcare system at stake. The most critical gap is at the top level. There, there, where, where a staggering 65% of professor positions are unfilled. মানে 65% প্রফেসর আনফিল্ডেড মানে পুরা হয় নাই প্রফেসর নাই The situation is alarming for mid-level faculty as well, with 45% of associate professor posts and 61% of assistant professor posts lying vacant. The government medical colleges have 5,380 seats for students. According to the 2023 to 2024 annual reports of the Health Education Division, at least 4 of the 37 government medical colleges currently have no professors at all, which 18 others operating with only 1 to 5 professors. According to date provided by the Director General of Medical Education DGME last month, smoking building out of a illegal brick building over in কুহিনসুর ভিলেজ অফ কুড়িগ্রামস ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কুড়িগ্রাম ডিস্ট্রিক্টে একটা ইলিগাল ব্রিক্সের কারখানা গ্রামে হয়েছে ব্রিক্স আর baked in this way in several houses in the village হয় মেলাডি হাউসে around 100 the moons of firewood are required to bake 12,000 bricks. The use of firewood for making bricks is also illegal. The people have resorted to such activities due the government action against illegal brick kilns. ইলিগাল ব্রিক্স চিলনির বিরুদ্ধে যখন অ্যাকশন নেওয়া শুরু করছে তখন পিপল এই ধরনের কাম শুরু করছে and because it is cheaper to do in this way কারণ এটা সহজ করা the photo was taken recently. ফটোটা সাম্প্রতিক নেওয়া industrial production hubs for gas ক্রাইসিসের কারণে গ্যাসের ক্রাইসিসের কারণে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল প্রোডাকশন কমে গেছে অর্ধেক industrial user are countering production losses ranging for 30 to 40% for the last couple of months thanks to gas শর্টেজ, গ্যাস শর্টেজের কারণে ঝামেলা হইতেছে, উৎপাদন হইতেছে না। এ and and despite the recent rise in gas supply বৃদ্ধি পাইছে, in the national pipeline বৃদ্ধি পাইছে, the suffering of the textile and spinning mills and ceramic industries and ceramic industries continued as the bulk of supplied gas has been diverted to power production units and to meet the growing summer electricity demand. At present, the country is getting 2,850 million cubic feet of gases a day, MMCFD, after the addition of 200 MMCFD of imported liquefied natural gases from Monday. And I say the demand for gas is about 3,900 MMCFD. According to date for Petrobangla, কইছে, however, the imported LNG has been diverted to the power plants. The power plants এর জন্য নেওয়া হয়েছে এটা। Gas supply to the power plants increased from 750 MMCFD to 900 MMCFD since last week. Petrobangla date shows. The Daily Star talked to at least 10 industry owners or managers in Dhaka, Sabar, Narayanganj, Tongi, Gazipur, and Norsindi, and around 50 residents from around 20 areas of Dhaka cities 20 areas এর মধ্যে এই করছে কথা বলতে হয়েছে, and around 50 residents from around 20 areas of Dhaka city, all of whom said কইছে they have been suffering due to low pressure of gases. Low pressure নিয়ে সাফার করতেছে। Okay, production at Ashulia based limited start spinning mills চালানো শুরু করছে। Okay, it's claimed to buy more than half from its daily capacity of 12 tons of one due to the gas crisis over the last few months, said its chairman MD Khosret Alam. Okay, yeah. Spinning mills need gases to run the boilers for drying and printing fabrics. The power shortage is getting the increased LNG supply and production has increased. Production বৃদ্ধি পাইছে, but other sectors will not get the benefit right now. It depends on more gases production and imports. Back to Bangla top officials. The 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 boiler needs gas. The boiler needs gas at 8 pounds per square inch. The the pressure often drops to 1.2 pc during the day and increases to 3 pis often 10 p.m. I don't know where this problem will be resolved. I don't know when. I don't know when this problem will be resolved. We have been suffering from the gas crisis for almost a year now. He added. সে আরো কইছে